Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a product review of one of my own product, actually my own product, which I actually released sometimes ago, last year, early last year. So if you actually have a business online, if you run business online, or into one program or the other, this book is going to be very beneficial to you. Yes, it's going to be very beneficial to you. So actually what this book is all about is just helping you, showing you the right strategy you need to put in place if you need if you are looking for referrals for your business, for your networking business, you're looking for downlines, or you're looking for customers to buy your products as a vendor, as a coach, or as a trainer, or you're looking for customers just buy your products and the services you offer. This book I'm about to review for you is what, in fact, a lot of people have purchased this book. They paid $5,000 to buy this book. Yes, to pick up this book. And for almost everybody who picked up the book, they got amazing results, with the information reviewed inside this book. And that's what I'm going to review to you shortly, with proof, with case studies, with examples and testimonials of people who picked up the book and got results with it. So if you are still struggling to get referrals, you are struggling to get downlines, you are into I think there's RGP, or you're into all these for Sage, you are into all these all these referral programs, or all these networking programs that requires you to get people under you as a team, as a downline, reviewed inside my book to get that kind of results. Or you're looking for customers to buy your products, it's very hard for you to get to generate sales in your business. You have a blog and you're looking for traffic, or you want to get traffic to any offer, to anywhere. You can use the information inside this book to get that result anytime you want. Maybe you join and you're looking for results, you're looking for referrals or services. You can use the information inside this book. So that is actually all about. But before that, let me just give a tip of one of the actually purchased wrote together. We promote each other's products. So this Prosper he bought my product when this was the first time we were actually going to connect together after picking up my product. So he picked up my product, this book. He just saw it and then he picked it up. So he bought it for 5,000 naira. Then so when he bought it, within 7 days, he used the information inside and he made 1,000 naira in profits. Yes, in just 7 days, after information I reviewed inside my book and the case study examples, about 4 examples of people using the same method inside my book. He bought the book, used the same method, set up his own system, and in 7 days he made 120k. Now the thing is, if you pick up this book too as well and you use it, you just take action, you set up your own system, just within 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, you are done. You can start using it to get results. In fact, within 24 hours you can start getting results with it, and after within, like, let's say about 4 to 5 days, you can actually start making money with it. Yes, you can start making good money with it. So let me just try and see if I can read through his own testimonial. It says, "Believe me, I've earned over 120k with cash on demand system." So that's the book I'm actually selling, cash on demand system, just using my Android phone. So whenever I need referrals, I make use of the cash on demand. So for example, he gave an illustration how you got 111 people. That's a referral, got 1 people to click from his own platform, from the system he sets up. So he actually went on to say that, okay, you can see he bought a cash on demand for 5k at that particular month, and he has made over 120. And in the headline here, it says he has earned over 120k with the cash on demand system, just applying what I put together inside this cash on demand system. So let me see what else he's saying again. It says get the cash on demand system. You can always promote all these things to your platform and you earn over and over and over again forever. You get free traffic. Exactly, I think he has explained it all, and it's not about creating blog or SEO or anything. You can use the information inside this book to get anything, whether it's anything, whether you're looking for real traffic, I mean targeted traffic, not real targeted niche traffic. For instance, if you are selling a particular stuff, let's say you are selling a book on how to make money online. So, and then you are now sending traffic, getting traffic from people who are not even interested in that at all. No, this system, once you set up this system, you get the right people, going to wherever you want them to go to. That's just it. Or maybe you're looking for subscribers. Maybe you build you run email, you do email marketing, and then you want to build your email list. This method is going to work for you. And then if you're looking for followers, and then you're looking for referrals, downlines, customers, or maybe students for your training and then for your courses, or you're a coach, you need students to sign up for your coaching membership, this method is just the best, which I've really reviewed inside this book, Get Cash on Demand. So that's the book I'm introducing to you today to pick it up, which is Get Cash on Demand. Inside this book, you're going to discover a powerful strategy that you can get up right now. You can set up right now for free and never go around looking for customers or sales anymore. Once you set up this system that I reviewed inside this Get Cash on Demand book, and a few videos to see the proof of how I use it and how other people use it, once you go ahead and set it up as well, I'm telling you, you can never have problem you will never. It will be very hard for you to say you are looking for traffic, or you're looking for referrals, or you're looking for this and that, or sales. It will be very hard. And once you pick up this Get Cash on Demand book, you are okay. There's just a brief rundown of what you can do with the information revealed inside the Get Cash on Demand book. Number one is you're able to get consistent targeted traffic to anywhere you want. Yes, this is 100% true. Once you set up your own system, your own platform, then anytime you need traffic, you can always go here and get your traffic to anywhere you want them. And also you can build your list. If you do email marketing, you can build your list with this method revealed inside this book, and you can also earn easy affiliate commission using the method reviewed inside this book as well. You can also get massive referrals and downlines. You can get easy sales anytime you want, and the best thing is your customers will always be there, and so they will easily because they already know you, they trust you, and they begin to buy from you over and over again, anytime, any day. And on top of that, you'll be able to build and grow a highly responsive buyer list with this method. And one thing you should know is this. Remember, I've said earlier on that this system is free. Yes, you set it up all for free without spending any money, and within 5 minutes or 10 minutes you are done with it. Yes, you are done with it. And what else again? I think, yes, it's very easy to do. No training, no anything, just very simple. Okay, so when you pick up my book, Get Cash on Demand, you also get inside the book, I also showed real examples of people using this same strategy, to actually make millions of naira. So inside there's a case study, number one case study, how a Nigerian guy made 90 million naira profits in just 14 days. Yes, a lot of people actually were surprised, and actually some people will actually say it's not possible, it's a lie, it's this and that. But for those who picked it up and saw it, they were, wow, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Now the thing is this. You might pick it up and then you might be thinking you make 90 million naira. No, you might not. Depends on what you have to offer. If you are selling a 1,000 naira products or 2,000 naira product, but this guy actually sold a 30,000 naira worth of products. Imagine 30,000 naira worth of products, and he pulled 90 million in just 14 days using the same system I reviewed inside this book. Remember, I told you Prosper made 120k, in just 7 days. So you also can do it. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to review this guy to you, and then the things he did step by step, what he did, so you too can also copy him and get at least a result, maybe half of his results or quarter of his own results. Even if it's 1/10 of his own result, I think it's something. And then about I'm going to show you another case study example inside the book, how a copper made about 1 million naira with just 1.5 of the system, because the system is free to set up. So she had 1.5, I think, to buy a product which she now sold to these people, and she made 1 million naira in a month, in 30 days. Another case study I also included inside this book is one of my fellow internet marketer. Yes, the guy made 300k in just 7 days using the same method reviewed inside the Get Cash on Demand book. And the case study number 4 is 1 million per month. Yes, this case study, and this guy is someone who is very good, very, very, very good. So using the same method reviewed inside this book to make 1 million, at least 1 million every single month he decides to use this system. Yes, because he can decide to use the system anytime, and anytime he goes ahead to use it, he can be sure of making at least he can be sure he makes at least an average of 1 million naira per month. So if you pick up this guide, you're going to get a step-by-step procedures how you can get started, set up your own system in as 5 minutes or less, and then you can begin to get results as people also are getting. Over 100 persons have actually picked up this product, and they are all, majority of them, I can't say all, but majority of them are using it right now, and they're getting huge results with their own system. So here's one. It says the product Get Cash on Demand is my first product I purchased from John Anavi, and I made thousands of money with it, following the exact strategies inside the course. Even now, I'm still using it, and it works guaranteed. Now you can see another partner say he made another 115,000 naira again after the 120k. So this is something you can actually use. So once you pick up this book today, it's going to help you solve a whole lot of problem if you have something you do online. If you are looking for referrals, downlines, customers, your affiliate promotions, affiliate commissions, or you are looking for traffic or students to buy your courses, students to join your coaching program, this is what you need. You need to pick up this book. So just go ahead, there's a link under this video. Click on the link to pick it up. It's going to bring you to this page right here, and if you're on this page, just go ahead and click on the buy now button. Yes, it's just 3,000 naira only. Yes, just 3,000. Remember I showed you Prosper. Now most people paid 5,000 naira for this, but because I'm sharing it on my YouTube channel and for my Facebook group members, you guys are getting a discount today, 2,000 naira off, so you can pick it up for just 3,000. And now the thing is, it will not stay long, and it can be pulled down anytime from now. So your purchase is even backed with 30 days money back guarantee. So if you pick up this course, and then the case studies I've showed you that people are making millions with it, if it's a lie, or you see my own result as well and then you don't believe it, or the method actually I revealed to you is something that cannot work or cannot get the results, or you even use it and then in 30 days you don't get any result at all, then I'm going to give you a refund of your money. So go ahead and pick it up for just 30,000 naira. You can pay to our local bank account, my bank account right here. Use this name John Anavi Patience, and then pay to my GT bank right here, or UBA. So when you make payments, just send your payment details to johnavilore@gmail.com, and then I'm going to send you your delivery. Or you can pay online right now. You can actually click here right now, and then it takes you to pay stack, and then you pay instantly and download the guide, the ebook instantly. So you can actually go ahead and read it, testimonials of people. People have one or two things to say. I don't want to read them, so you actually read them yourself and any experience to actually start using this method inside this book, and you don't need to spend a penny to get results using this information inside this book. So go ahead, buy this with confidence. People are making a lot of money with this. It's something that's going to help you get cash on demand. Yes, anytime you want cash, you can also use this. You can always use this system that you set up and get cash anytime you want. So go ahead, click on any of the links on this page to download your own copy before the price increases. Now, the price might not increase on this page, but the thing is, I can change the link. The link will change, and you will not see this page anymore. Yes, you will not see the page anymore. So go and get this. You're going to love it. You are going to love it, because a lot of people have purchased this, and they, in fact, lots of feedback from people saying, wow, they love this and it's actually working for them on the long run. The thing is, once you set up your system, you will continue to use it for as long as possible, because I don't want to say forever and ever. I don't want to say that, because stuff's actually changing. But this, for the past 2 years, I've been using this. A lot of us, many people have been using this. Smart guys have been using this system to build on their business. So go ahead and pick it up for just 3,000 naira today. You might actually get over to the sales page, and then the payment on the page might have increased, or you won't actually find this page anymore. So go ahead and buy this with confidence. It's going to help you to get referrals. the system, the information inside will show you how to get referrals, downlines, and customers in your business over and over and over again. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anaviorere once again. If you have any question for me, you can ask in the comment section, or you can reach out to me anywhere. Make sure you pick up this book before the price is increased or it disappears. Thank you very much. Thank you. Enjoy, and bye bye.